let's talk about how to find the area and perimeter of a shape. The perimeter is all the way around the outside of the shape. So what you're going to do is you're going to add all the sides together. For area, we're only going to do area if it is a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle equals length times width, or base times height. So what you have to do is you have to multiply two sides. Whereas the perimeter uses all sides, the area only uses two of them, and you're multiplying instead of adding. Let's go ahead and do the floor plan problem together. So this is basically like the top view of an apartment. The first thing it asks us to do is find the missing length of the bedroom. Now, let's go look at the bedroom. I already know from looking at the shape that this side is 3x squared plus 9x. But what I don't know is how long the bottom side is. So that's what this problem is trying to ask me for. If I look at the very top, though, I'll see that the missing side of the bedroom is just these two parts put together. So I just have to add them, which means I'm going to add my x squareds together. I'm going to add the x's together, but there's only a 4x. And then I'm going to add the regular numbers or the constants together. So make sure that you're only combining like terms, and then you just add them. 2x squared plus 3x squared is 5x squared. There's only a 4x in the middle, so that stays 4x. But since it's positive, you're going to put a plus in front of it. And then negative 5 plus negative 2. Adding negatives together is just like adding 5 plus 2, just instead of being 7, your answer is actually negative 7. And that's it. Then the next problem asks us for the perimeter of the closet. Remember what we said up top, where perimeter is where you add all sides together. So for the closet, I have 3x squared minus 2 and on the other side, I have this side, which is the same as the side of the bathroom on that side, 5x. And I have to add these together, but you'll notice that none of them are like terms. There's an x squared, a x, and a regular number. So that just means you write them all together. 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. But that's only two sides of the closet. I actually need to go all the way around the whole thing. So that means that I need 2 of every side. So instead of adding this again, what I'm going to do is multiply by 2. So you're just basically doubling everything. Okay, and I'm going to make a note that we're doing that because there's 2 of each side. And with perimeter, you need all 4 sides. But with area, which is on the next problem, area is just multiplying length times width. So the area of the bathroom is going to be the length, 5x, times the other side, which is 2x squared plus 4x minus 5. Now, I have to multiply by that whole thing, so what I need to do to make sure I don't forget anything is put it in parentheses. Then, I'm going to multiply 5x times 2x squared, which is 10x cubed. 5x times 4x. 5 times 4 is 20. And there's both an x on the 5 and the 4. So that's 2 x's, or x squared. And then 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. And there's only an x on the first 5 this time. So I only need one x, or x to the power of 1.